Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you all the 2D command of AutoCAD. You can see these 2D commands which are very important in 2D drawing, like 2D plane, 2D section, elevation and other etc, and also for mechanical drawing, for electrical and for civil drawing, and also for very important for architecture drawings. So I will start from this line command, and one by one I am going to teach you all this 2D command in very short time. Let's start. Line command. Take line command from home menu here. Just simply click on this line command. You will take, or simply type the line and press enter. You will take the line command and specify your first point from which you want to start your line. This is my first point, and specify your second point and next point which you want to finish your line there. You can select by default your next point, or you can give the length of your line. Let's I will select by default my next point. This let's my next point, and if you want to finish line command, just simply type enter or space. This finish. Now I want to again press take line command. This is the line command, and I want to draw by length my line. This is my first point. Now I want to give it 12 feet below, so type 12 and type the sign of feet. This is the sign of feet, and press enter. This is your, now this line is 12 feet. Press the enter to finish your command. This is your 12 feet line. If you want to draw your line by slope, this is your second point, so you should off the R2. This is R2. Whenever you own this, your line will be horizontal and vertical. If you off this, your line will be by any direction. It will by default you can draw right. This is my slope line. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for next and short tutorial of like this. Polyline command. You can take Polyline command from home menu. Simply click here, or simply type from Polyline and the keyboard and press enter. You will get this command. After that, specify your first point from which you want to start your line, and this is my first point. Then give the length, or specify your another point by default, your next point by default. I want to select my next point here. This is by default, and next point, select your next point. This is my next point, and select for another line, select another line, and this press enter. This is my polyline. But the difference between line and polyline, polyline is selected as one object. It is all. Whenever I click here, it selected all polylines, but line is not like this. Line will show every line is a different object. If you want to give the line to length to your polyline, and take the command and specify your first point, and then give the length. I want to give the 5 feet. Type 5, then feet sign, then press enter. Then specify your second point or another line, or you just simply press space or enter to finish your command. Circle command in AutoCAD. There are different options to draw the circle in AutoCAD. First option is center radius. It means that specify the center of your circle. This is center. This is the center of my circle, and then give the radius. And let's I would like to select 5 feet radius. Type 5, and I select sign of it. Press enter. This is the circle which has 5 feet radius. And the second option is center diameter. Yeah, it means that specify the center of your radius circle, and then give the diameter. Let's I would like to give 10 feet diameter. 10. Type the sign of it. Press enter. This is the circle which has 10 feet diameter. And third option is 2 points. It means that to draw our circle between 2 points. This is first point, and this is my second point, and the 3 points between. It means that draw my circle between 3 points. This is first, specify the first point, next point, and then third point. this circle is drawn between these 3 points. After that, tangent radius. It means that the radius, the circle will be draw between 2 tangent lines and give the radius. This is 2 tangent line, and then specify the radius of your circle. I would like to give 5 feet the radius of the circle, and press enter. This is the radius between these 2 tangents. In the last option is tangent. It means that between 3 tangents, this first tangent specify the second tangent, and this is third tangent. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for next this short tutorial. Arc command and AutoCAD. There are different options for arc command. First option is 3 points. It means that our arc between 3 points. Specify the first point, and then your next point, and then your third point. This arc is drawn between these 3 points. And the another option is start, center, end. It means that start our field, start, center is this, and end here. This is our arc which start here, center is this, and end is point is this. Another option is start, center, angle. It means that start out from this point, end here, and give the angle between these 2 points will become, I will give 90 degree. Enter. This is the angle between this arc points, 90 degree between these 2 lines, which one is this and one is this. Between these 2 lines, the angle is 90 degree. Another point, start, center, length. It means start, center, and give the length. That now I will give the 45 feet length. This is, press enter, double enter. This is the length of your feet, 45. After that, press start, center, end. Start, end, angle. This is start, this is end, and this is the angle. Give the angle. I will give the 67 degree. This is, and after that, start, end, direction. This is our start point, this is the end point, and this is our direction. Down between these 2 points, start, end, and show the direction. And another point, start, end, radius. This is start, end, and give the radius. I will give the radius 45 feet. Press enter. This is the arc which start from this point and end here, and has the radius 45 feet. Another option is also like this, center, start, end, and it's we know that from their names. And last option is continue. It means that whenever I click here, it will continue for last, which way drawn from last arc. So it will start from this point, and you can draw like this is your wish to draw. Whenever you want to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD, simply click here in rectangle command, or simply type rectangle in keyboard and press enter. You will get the command. Let's say this is the rectangle command, and press click here. Now they ask you to specify your first corner of your rectangle. This is my first corner of my rectangle. Then specify the next point and the next corner of your rectangle. I want to draw it by default. This is the second point, and this is my rectangle. If you want to draw your rectangle by dimensions, simply click here, take the command, and specify your first corner of your rectangle, and then click here below in dimensions, or type simply DIM and press enter. Now they ask you to specify your length of your rectangle. Then I would like to type 15 feet is the length of my rectangle, and 6 feet is the width of my rectangle. Press enter, and now click here where you want. Just simply click there. Now I want here, I would like to click here. This is my rectangle, which has the dimension 15 feet length and 6 feet width. This is, you can see here, 15 feet length and 6 feet width. This is 6 feet width. And if you want to draw your rectangle by area, let's take the command and specify the corner where do you want to start. This is my first corner of my rectangle, and I want to draw it by area. Let's click here, area, or simply type ARE and press enter. I would like to click here now. Now they ask you to specify the area. Your unit will be square inches, because I have selected already my unit is inch, so I would like to give that my area is 2000. Press enter. And now they ask you specify the length or width of your one dimension. You can select any of them. I would like to select length, and then I will give length is, let's 45. Press enter. This is the rectangle which is area 2000 inches, and the length is 15 inch. Another option is rotation in rectangle command. This rotation specify the first point. This rotation says that whenever you want to change your dimensions, change the length to width and width to length simply. Or you want to change your rotation of your rectangle to draw how you want to draw. Always it will be drawn like on that direction. Ellipse command in AutoCAD. How to draw ellipse and how to draw ellipse arc in AutoCAD. To get the command, you can simply click here and get the command, but there are different options to draw the ellipse. First option is center. It means that specify the center of your ellipse, and then specify the distance on x-axis, or simply you can draw by default. This is my another point on x-axis. Now they ask you about y-axis, the length of your ellipse on y-axis. You can type your length by length, or simply you can click here, like let's suppose this is my second point, and simply click here, your ellipse will be drawn. And another option is to draw the ellipse is here axis, and it means that specify the end of the ellipse. This is the end of the ellipse, and this is start, and this is end. Now give the on another direction, give the length, or simply click here by default. And in the third option is to draw ellipse arc. Specify the first point and specify the second point. It means that your ellipse will be round. The arc which you are going to draw will be first we should draw the ellipse. It means that arc will be the part of this ellipse which you are now drawn, this ellipse. Then press enter. Now you can draw your arc where you want. Just click here. This is your arc, which is the part of this ellipse. H command in AutoCAD. H command simply give the color, or it means for elevation. If you want anything to your front elevation, side elevation, you can easily give the different design. Just take H command, and it will give to a closed boundary, but it is not for open boundary. If it does not work on your object, so you should check your object that it may not be a close. It is closed boundary, it work here. Just let's this another closed boundary, and this is another closed boundary, and this is another closed boundary. Select the closed boundary. Where is closed boundary, it will work. But you can choose another options for this H command. You can select here any like solid, gradient, different colors you can use for them. You can see there, but let's this is solid, and give the color like this. And you can different options for this, like this is different options like brick, another, all options are present. You can use any of them. Let's I want to show it like a brick. Like let's this is a brick. Now it will show like a brick. If you want to make your front elevation like this, it shows like a wall brick. You can see here. Move command in AutoCAD. Move command you can take from modify menu here, select the move and or simply type move in keyboard and press enter. You will get this command. I would like to take here this is move, and after that whenever you take the command, then select the object which you want to move. I would like to select this object, then select the object, then press enter or press right click, then specify the base point. The base point means the point from which you want to hold your object. Let's this my base point. So now you can move in this direction and then horizontally and vertically, but if you want to draw in another direction, every direction, you should off the ortho, this ortho up. Now I can move everywhere. So now I would like to click here, and now it moved from this place to here. If this object is already selected, so you can use that move command, then just specify the base point. This is center is my base point. Now move it and place where you want this. Let's click at the center. Now it moved from that place into this place. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for next short tutorial. Copy command in AutoCAD. Whenever you want to copy your object, you can use this command copy. Simply click on copy command or type copy in the keyboard, press enter. You will get this command. Now they ask to select the object. Select that object which you want to copy. Let's I would like to select this object. Then whenever you select the object, then press enter or right click. Then they ask to specify the base point, that point which you want to hold from that point. This is my base point. Now just click where you want to copy it, it will copy it. Let's copy here, 1 2, copy here, here, where you want you can copy. Whenever you want to finish your command, press enter or just simply space. Your command will finish. After that if I want to copy this all object, you can then take the command and simply click, select all of them, then press enter and specify the base point. This is copied. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for next short tutorial. Stretch command in AutoCAD. Stretch command you can take from this modify menu, or simply click here or type stretch in the keyboard and press enter. You will get the command. Let's click here. Now these are two windows which I used here in this wall, but this short one I want to increase its length to be the window 2, and let's select this, select the object, press enter or right click, then specify the base point I want to take from this point. Now stretch head, but ortho should be on. Now I want to this window is 20 feet length, but this window has 6 feet length, so I would like to give it 4 feet more length, 4 feet length. Press enter. Now both of them are same. But stretch also work reverse of this. Whenever get the command and select the object, press enter or right click, then specify the base point, make from this window the second window and give it 4 feet, press enter. Now from this short window I make large window, and for this from this large window I make short window, and this is the work of stretch command. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for next short this type tutorials. Rotate command in AutoCAD. Rotate command work simply to rotate something or an object. Take the command from modify menu here, simply click here or simply type rotate and the keyboard and press enter. You will get the command. Let's click here. Now they ask you to select the object. Let's select the object. press enter or right click, then specify the base point, that point which it will rotate. Now you can rotate like this, and up the ortho, and now you can give any angle, which angle you want. Just type here and press enter, it will rotate about that angle. But if you want to rotate it with 90 degree, just on the ortho and simply click here. If you want like this or this or this type, you can rotate any of them type. Now let's say I want to click here, so it will be rotate like this. You can also rotate your window. Let's click on rotate, press select the object, press enter or right click, specify the base point. Now we can rotate like this. Any type you want, you can rotate for vertical bars. This is now rotated. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for next short tutorials of this type. Mirror command in AutoCAD. Mirror command you can take from simply modify menu, simply click here or type mirror in the keyboard and press enter, you will get the command. Let's click here, this is mirror command. Now they ask you to select the object. Let's click here, select the object and press enter or right click. Now they ask you to specify the first point of mirror. You would like to specify the mirror, so you should select 2 points. My first point is, this is my first point and this is my second point. Now they ask you, do you want to remove that the first object? If you want to remove, just click on yes. If you don't want to remove this one, just click on no, and it will not remove. Both of them are present now. This is the mirror of this door. Or if you want to remove the other object, so just click the mirror command and press select the object, press enter, right click, then specify the first point of your mirror and then second point of the mirror, press enter. I want to remove this object, just click on yes, it is remove, and this is the mirror of that object. If you want to mirror this object, like large door you want to make, so take the command and select the object, press enter and specify the first base point and then second one, and press enter and click on no. This is your door. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for next short tutorial. Scale command in AutoCAD. Let's click here. Simple to take the command, simply click here in modified menu or simply type scale in the keyboard and press enter, you will get the command. Let's click here. Now select the object, which object you want to do the scale. So this is my object, press enter or right click and specify the base point. Now if you give more than one, the value is more than one, your object will increase by that scale, or if you give less than one, your object will decrease by that scale. So now I would like to give it to 2 to increase my object by the scale up to respect to its original length or width. Press enter, now it's increased. Or if I want to decrease it, so I should give the value less than 1. This is scale command. Please select the object, press enter or right click, then specify the base point. This is my base point. Now I would like to give less than 1 value, 0.5. It will decrease half of the object. Press enter, now it is decreased. You can use the scale command on any of the object. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for next this type short tutorials. Trim command in AutoCAD. Trim command is used to remove the part of a line, not complete line. This is a complete line. Whenever I click it on it, if I erase and remove it, whole line will be deleted. So if you want to finish or erase at some part, and if you want to finish extra lines and edges between this plane, so you can finish by simple trim command. This plane is already drawn by the help of line and polyline. Now you want to finish some part of them and extra edges by the help of trim command. Simply click on trim command and go where do you want to finish the line. You can, this is main entrance, so I would like to finish this line and this, both of them. Simply click on it, it will finish. But if in your computer, if trim command is not work like this, whenever you take the command from modify menu or simply type trim and press enter, you will take the command. After that, simply press enter. Before to start the trim command working, before press enter like this, press enter. Now it work. Let's this, I would like to finish this line as well, this as well, and more this line as well to finish this line, and this is main entrance and finish. Simply click on it, it will show that this is removable. It is show us that this is removable. You just click on it. If you want to finish this part of your line to show your plane is combine plane, and let's finish this part up and finish this line and finish this, and as well as for your plane, and come here and print. Now you can see there that it show you that if you press this, whole line will finish. If in this small part, if click only, it will finish all the line, complete line. It means that you this line is not joined with this line, so then you should just press the space to finish the command. Now you check these two lines are not joined, are not combined. Simply click on it and combine with it. So now you can finish this part for your plane to show it combined. Just take the command, simple press enter. Now you can see it is removable. Okay, and this is extra part, this is also finish. Another is extend command. Extend command works the reverse of the trim command. Let's click on extend command, take the command, and show that this line will join, that this is complete, the reverse of the trim command. It show that this line will combine with this line and extend it, this line. Let's click on it, it will extend to another side like this. Let's click on it, it will show you that extend to this part, and this part you can, and you extend to this part. It works the reverse of the trim command. Thank you for watching of this video, and please subscribe my channel and for next short tutorial. Fillet, chamber and blend. Now I should explain this in three. First of all, I would like to explain fillet. Fillet command works whenever you want to round the corner of your rectangle or another object. You want to round the corner of this object, you should use a fillet command. To take the command, you should click simply on it in modify menu or simply type fillet and press enter. You will get the command. I would like to take from this. Simply click here. Before to select the object, you should select here below the radius of that curve or that round which your corner will have. Let's the radius should be 5 feet of that corner. Press enter. Now you should select, this is first object and this is the second object. You can see that your corner is now round. This is your round corner. And another option is chamber. Whenever you want to chamber your corner, like before to select the object, select the line, you should click on below here on distance. Click here on distance and specify the distance from right side to left side. That distance, specify that length of the chamber. Let's that length should be 5 feet. Press enter and specify the other distance from top to below which that chamber will have. Let's that should be 10 feet and press enter. Now select the first line and then second line. Now this is your side edge chamber. What is the 5 feet distance which I give first and the 10 feet I give in the second option? It means that you can see here, this is your you can see here that this line, this is your this was your corner. So this length, first I give this length is 5 feet. First I give this length. It means from right side to left side your chamber will have 5 feet distance. This is 5 feet distance. Let's to see here. This is how much distance? 5 feet. You can see here. This is 5 feet from right corner to left side. But this distance from above to below, this should be 10 feet because I put it in second option. This is 10 feet from above to this point. And you can use this chamber from any options, from n to any object. You can use it. Let's go to the third option. This is blend curve. Whenever you want to combine two lines or two objects by the curve, you can click on it, simply click on it and select the first object and then second object. It will be combined by the help of this curve. This curve is concave up from this side and concave down from this side. You can check their continuity whenever you take the command. You can check their continuity from this point to take tangent or smooth. Let's smooth, it would be smooth. Press enter to finish the command. Array command in AutoCAD. Array command simply distributes the copies of any object which you want. There are three different options for array: rectangular array, path array and polar array. First of all, I would like to start from a rectangular array. Let's click here. Now I want to draw the simple 2D plane of my columns. Top view, this is my simple column. Now they ask to click the select the object. Let's click on it, then press enter or right click. Now you can see they drawn by default. Below you should select first of all columns. You can see here, or simply type columns and press enter, then click on it. Now they ask you that how many columns do you want on X directions. Its name is also column on this directions, on X direction. This is X direction, you are on X direction. I want to give 5. I need 5 rectangles on this X direction. You can see these are 5 rectangles on X direction. 1 2 3 4 5. Now they ask you what should be the distance between your rectangles. Now currently the distance is 1 feet and little bit more, so I should give 15 feet should be the distance between my columns. 15 feet, press enter. Now you can see here that distance between these two columns is 15 feet. Between these two columns it is 15 feet. After that you should click on rows below here, or simply type rows and press enter. You will get this option. Now they see you that there are 3 columns on Y direction, on this vertical Y direction. So I need 5 rectangles on Y direction. Let's type 5 and press enter. Now they ask you what should be the distance between this every rectangle, between these 2 rectangles. So currently the distance between this rectangle is 1 feet and little bit more. So I would like to give 15 feet. Let's 15 feet is the distance between my columns. So type 15 and press enter. So now specify the incrementing elevation between rows. So let's leave it and press enter and simply type space, and now you can see your columns is drawn here. The distance between these two columns is 15 feet on x direction as well, and y direction is as well. And another option is path hurry. Path hurry, whenever you want to copy, whenever to distribute the copies of any object by path. Let's move it. Click here and take the command. Simply click on it and select the object. Press enter or right click. Then they ask you to select the path on which you want to copy of your object. This is the path which I want to copy. You can see your copies. Currently your copies are how many here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you want to increase it, so you can select here items or simply type items and press enter. You can see here and click on it, items. First they ask you what should be the distance between your objects. Currently the distance is 22 feet. So I would like to give it 20 feet should be. Let's 20 feet or 10 feet should be the distance between this. Press enter. Now they ask you current maximum items which you can put on this line, that is 15. So how many do you want? I would like to select 14 should be my copies. Press enter. Now you can see these are 14's copy of this one object, and simply press the space to finish the command. You can see now if you click, all of them is selected. And another option, the last option is here, is polar hurry. Polar hurry, whenever you want to draw circular chairs or another thing. Let's start. I would like to draw a simple circle here. Take the command, specify the center, and this should be my circle. And this is one chair. I want to draw a circle. Move it. Now I want to make this copies of this object around this circle. So I should take the array command, polar array command. Now whenever you get the polar array command, simply click on your object, select your object and press enter or right click. Now just go to specify center point of array. I want to draw the copies of this object around this circle. So the center of this circle would be my array center. Let's click here. Now you can see they draw. If you want to increase the amount of these chairs, you can simply if you want to increase the number of these chairs, you can simply click on items here or simply type items and press enter. Here you can see I would like to click on it, items. Now they show you currently you having 6 chairs. If you want to increase it, you can it should be 20 chairs. Type 20 and press enter. Now you can see the sum of chair is now 20. If you want to give the back side to as well the chair, you can simply click on rows, and currently you having 1 chair in row. If you want to give another chair to the back side, you can. Let's give me 3 layers. So type 3 and press enter. Now you can see there are 3 layers between one another. So now just specify the distance between rows. Currently the distance is 3 feet. They show you. I would like to give, the distance should be 4 feet. Type 4 and sign up 4 feet. Press enter. Now you can see the distances between this is 4 feet. And what should be the increment elevation between this? Let's give 1 feet, or if you want to give the 0, press simply enter. Now if you want to, there are two different options. If you want to select any of them, you can change the angle between them, and to select one side and half side 90 degree, or you can draw all of them by 180 degree to one side to half side. It depends on you. Whenever you want to finish your command, simply press the space, and now you can finish your this circle. Here is, you can see your chairs along this. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for next short tutorials like erase command in AutoCAD. Erase command works like whenever you want to remove or delete something or some object from your drawing, you can use it. Let's click on it, take the command, and simply select the object, then press enter or right click. It will be removed and deleted. Or if say you select the object, first select the object and click on it, it will be deleted. This line will be deleted completely. And I would like to click on it and simply click it on erase. It will removed and it will be deleted from this drawing. It is removed. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for next this short tutorial. Explode command. Explode command works on the reverse of the join command. Join command, whenever we want to join an object or some lines to show us as one object, we use join command. But explode command works in the reverse of it, and it breaks the components up and one object to its components. Let's this is one object and I want to change to its by line, so I would like to take this command and select the object. Now it is one object, and select the object and press enter. Now it is separated. This is separate line and this is now separate line. You can see there. This is also you can see that this is one object and one rectangle. If you want to explode it, you can just click on explode. It is exploded. Now it is a separate line. You know that join command work whenever you want to join something, like this lines I would like to join. Just select them and type join, press enter. It will be join. Now it is back to same object. But if you want to separate it, you can use by which command? By explode command. Take the command from modify menu or simply type explode and select the object and press enter or right click. It will be exploded. Like this is now separate objects. One object line is this and one line is this and four lines. So another one is this and this line and this line. Now you can join by the help of join command. Offset command. Offset command is very important in AutoCAD, and this command is very useful for our 2D as well as for 3D. So it is used whenever you want to offset your line or your circle to draw a parallel line or a curve. As your object is line, you can use the offset command for them. So let's start. Simply click on offset to take the command. Now specify the offset distance. This I want to draw my walls of this plane. This plane is simply drawn by the help of polyline and line. So I would like to give 9 inches, 9 inch, because my wall thickness is 9 inch and press enter. Then simply click and on that object which you want to offset it, and click on it and show the direction it will offset. Let's click on this line and show the direction. Do you want to outside offset and or inside offset? You can select any of them. I want inside offset, so simply click on it. It is offsetted. So you can use for many lines at once. Let's select this. This is also 9-inch thickness offset, 9-inch offset. And whenever you want to finish your command, simply click on space to finish the command. After that, let's this wall, these are entire walls in this thickness. This wall having thickness 5-inch. So again take the offset command and now specify the 5-inch. My wall should have 5-inch thickness, so I should specify the distance, offset distance 5, and press enter. Now select the object which you want to offset. This is my line and wall, and now this wall having 5-inch thickness and this wall having 9-inch thickness, and let's click on it. And this is my wall which having 5-inch thickness and this wall having 9-inch thickness, and simply click on it. This wall, this long wall also having 5-inch thickness, and simply click on space to finish the command. It means that by the help of offset command you can draw your simple plane easily. Join command. Join command is used whenever you want to join two lines or two objects. Join command is present here in modify. This is join command, or you can take this command, simply type in the keyboard join and press enter. You will get the command. This line we have drawn here. If I click on it, I check, and this all are separate lines, and they are not combined, and they are not joined, and they are not one line. If you want to be this whole one line, so you should use join command, and simply type join and press enter. Then select that object which you want to combine and join, and press enter. Now it is one object. Before it was separate objects, now it is one object. Text command in AutoCAD. It means that how can we write something in AutoCAD drawing. Before to start writing a text, we should select the style of our text, that what should be the height of our text, and style, in which style do you want your text. So for that you should go to here annotation, click on it, and you can see this hey text style hey that they have written, and click here and come below and click on manage text style. Now this is already been styled by me, so you should click on new and take the new one. Let's click here and click on new and name it. This is my A1 text style. So let's okay, A1 is my text style. This is the name. So then select the style of your text, in which style do you want your text. I want select here some styles which like. There are this much many styles. Select any of them you can select. This is my style. So after that select the height of your text. I want to be my text 3 feet height, type 3 and feet sign, press enter. Now your text will have 3 feet height, and then after that you can the width vector, but it is not, they are not important, so simply close it. And to write the text, and you should go to, if you want to your text in this style, so you should come here and select your that name which you have already saved by that name. I saved by one name, so I would like to click on it. So now the writing which I will write here, it will be in this style, in A1 style. So to write something in AutoCAD, simply type DT and press enter, and specify a start point of your text. From which point do you want to start your text? Let's click here, and do you want your text vertically or horizontally? Let's give me my text horizontally, so click like or this horizontally. Now your text is started, and type something. Let's like, I would like to write something here, bedroom, and click on another place where you want to write something. Let's write here WE, click here 12H, like this. You can write everywhere something. So to finish the command, simply press the ESC, this button, small ESC, press it, your command will finish. Now you can see that your writing size is very large and you want to change it. So first you should check that you are in this style. Yes, you are in A1, this letter is in A1 style. So after that, just go to this letter text style, manage the style, and this is your A1 style. So change the height of this A1 text, and your text style and height will change. This is 3 feet height, so it is very large, so I want to increase it, should be 1 feet, and press enter, close it. Now select your letter, all of them, and go here and select the annotation, simply click on it. Now your text is in this style A1, so its height become 1 feet. Now it is normal, so it is okay. You can see here. Dimension command. In AutoCAD, it is very important to show your dimensions of your 2D plane. This is 60 feet. It means that the length of this house or this plane is 60 feet. How can we show this like this, our dimension? So for this simply click on dimension and specify the first point of your plane, and then second point, and then specify where do you want your dimension, and simply click there, and now it is shown. Simply click on space to finish the command. But for the first time, whenever you do for your plane this or your simple plane, it will not shown like this. For it you should go to some setting, you need to some setting, then do that, then your writing will show like this. So let's go to second new page. This is a new page. So if I draw a rectangle here, let's draw my rectangle. My rectangle should have 40 feet length and 30 feet width. Press enter, and this is my rectangle. Offset command 9 inch, this is the wall of my, this is the plane of my 2D house. And now to go to dimensions and click on dimension, it will show for the first time like this. It means that you can't see your writing. Let's click here. Now you can't see your writing. It is very small and its unit is also not in feet and in inch. So for that you would like to go to annotation for this setting, and then click on this. You can see dimension style, this dimension style. Click on this vector standards and then click on manage dimension style. Click here and then click on new one. If you have already saved and you have already made your own, so then click on modified. If you want to create for the first time, so you would like to click on new, then name it that which your dimensions, which name will have. Let's that name should be a1 dimension style, and continue please. Now this new window, in this new window you can change some the unit of your dimensions and your length and the style of your vectors, everything you can change. Let's start from line. It's okay the color, if you want to change your line colors, everything, the thickness, the line type, the line width, everything you can change here. If you want to change the end of your hero heads, which you can see here, this hero, if you want to change it you can change here, but it is okay. This is okay. And text, let's come text. Now here text height, you can see my text height is very small, so I want to give it, let's 1 feet should be the height of my text. Press enter and then come here and unit. For unit you would like to select architectural here as well. This is architecture. Now your all the dimensions and all lengths will show in feet and inches. So after that press then press OK. There are some other changes, like which side you want your arrows to remove in these lines. Every extension line you can remove, and you can remove from one side to another side, but it is okay. Now press OK and simply close it. Now remove this one. Now you should first you should be in this A1 style. First of all you would like to click, this is your A1 style, so let's click on this which you have styled and you have named. Click on that one, then come to take the dimension and press click here on simple, and now you can see your dimension writing is 40 feet and it's shown large little bit. And if you want to show your in this side, you can see this is 30 feet. Press enter to finish the command. Now your vectors are also the head are also not shown. It is very small. If you want to increase the size of it, simply go here and click on the dimension style and click on manage dimension style, and select your name one which you have already named and click on modify. Now the hero style is very small, hero symbol, so you would like to give the size of your hero. Here you can select that, it should be 1 feet the size of my hero. Press and type 1 feet and press enter. It will be a little bit large and it will be visible. Here press OK and close. Now you can see this is visible. So this is the dimension style. So there are more styles as well, but it is now simply it is okay for you. If you want to change this head, you can simply go here and click it and click on manage dimension style and then click on modify. Now you can select any type of your heroes hero head. You can select like this one. Sometimes they use this one, and this letter should also be in this architecture. It should also be architecture. You can see your everything here. If you select here anything, they show you here. That's this should also be architectural. Press OK. Now close it. Now you can see like this. And if you want to remove your this extension line, you can just go here and click on it in dimensions tab and click modify. Now your hero symbol, click on lines, extension line. Let's click on it. To remove your line, just click on it. It will remove left side extension line. If you extension line 1 will remove, if you click the other one, it will remove both of them. So simply press OK and close it. Now both of them are removed. Extension lines are removed. Now let's click here. Just like show like this. It is shown like this. Layers. Layers are also very important for AutoCAD and 2D drawing as well for 3D, because whenever you want to invisible something or some objects in your plane, you can by the help of layers easily, and you can change the color and the properties of lines and everything by the help of layers. And sometime I don't want to say this, I want to work some here in this 2D, so this doors should be invisible. So I would like to click here and I would like to come select and just invisible the doors. So now they are not shown, but they are not deleted, just they are invisible. If I want to visible them, I can just click here, it will be visible. And same for if you want to finish this window and you want to invisible this, just click here in this. And also if you want to finish this center and the text as well, you can easily. Now they are invisible. If you want to if whenever you complete your work and then click just on them, they will be visible. And sometime in 3D they are very important, and in 3D we want to remove this, and then we will copy just this walls and then we'll make the 3D of them. So let's start. How can we create these layers? It's very easy, and this is our new page. Before to start our 2D plane, we should create our layers. Let's click on layers, come here and click on layer properties, or simply type layers in the keyboard and press enter. So new window will open. Let's start from this point and click here. Now you can see this new window, and just click in this point. You can see this new layer and click on it. New layer will create. Now this is layer 1 and name it. This will be my text and press enter. This is your one layer, and then click another layer will create, and this will be my wall. Press enter and then create another layer, and this will be my window 1 W1. Press enter. Create another layer. This will be my door 1 D1, and like this same. And you should at least you must create more than 10 layers, because you will use them, and in any time you can create them. but it is good to have more layers. After that, simply close this window here, close the window, and now whenever you come here, your all layers will be shown here, like D1, text 1, W1, wall 1. These are your layers. You can change the type of this lines, their color, everything by the help of this. Let's come to this plane. This is my wall. This is my one layer by the name of this wall. You can see in the layers. Let's come in this layer. You can see this is a wall layer. If you want to change this all wall color, you can simply click on it, any color which you want and you are interested. Just I like this yellow color, just click on it and press OK. Your all wall color will change, and anything, any lines, any objects which are included in these layers, their color will change whenever you change the layer color. But whenever you are drawing your walls, so you must be in that layers. Currently I am in dimension layers. You can see here, currently I am in which layer? In dimension layer. But whenever I want to whenever I will draw something here, it will be white color, because I am in dimension layer, and the dimension layer having white color. You can see here, this is the dimension layer and having white color. Let's say I want to draw one line. Let's, this is start point and this is here. You can see that this line having white color because I am in this layer, in dimension layer. If I go to wall layer and let's this is my wall layer, now the color of my line will be yellow. Let's click here. This is because I am in this wall layer. How to select the unit in AutoCAD? It is new page and no work is done still here. So first of all, I would like to select my unit, and it is must before to start our drawing we should select our unit. For selecting the unit, simply type UNI and click here on units. You can see here units, simply click on it, new window will open, and in this new window select this length type and select the architectural. After that the precision, it means that what precision is required for your length, but it is okay, this much is precision is okay, already selected. And another is unit, your unit. For architectural, whenever you select architecture, your unit must be inch. But if you want to use another unit like meter, centimeter or another, you can use. But for architectural issue, you must use inch. And you can select another unit. Another option is here angle. For angle, decimal degree, I would like to use this decimal degree, and another options are degree, minutes, second, grade, radian and surveyor units. So this much precision is not required for us. I would like to select only decimal degree. And what about the precision of angle? It should also be 0. It is the precision of angle which that after your complete number, how much do you want? If you want to round up, you can select only 0. And simply after that, simply click on your unit is selected. Your unit is now inch. If you give any number in your drawing for length purpose, it will consider as an inch. Let's draw a line. This is line command. Take the command and specify your first point. This is my first point. Now I would like to draw a 12-inch length. So just type 12 and press enter. Now press space to finish the command. Now you can see this length having 12 inches length, because whenever I give 12, AutoCAD automatically consider that unit as inch, because I selected my unit as inch. If let's I want to draw say 3 feet length, so this is my start point. Now I would like to give 3, then symbol or sign of feet I should mention. This is the sign or symbol of feet, then press enter. Now your length will be 3 feet, and press the space to finish the command. Now you can see this length having 3 feet, 3 feet length, because I have mentioned that my length should be in feet. If you want to draw let's 2 feet and 6 inches length, so specify your first starting point or your first point of your line. Now type 2, then symbol or sign of feet, and 6. After that type 6. If you mention the sign or symbol of inch or not, AutoCAD will automatically consider your unit as an inch, and simply press enter. Now this line having 2 feet and 6 inches length. And now I want to draw the simple plane in AutoCAD, and let's suppose it is already made by you and in Arab paper, and now you want to draw it in AutoCAD and same to same this. So let's start a new page. In new page, first of all you would like to select the unit, so type UNI and click on units. New window will open, and click here on length type. It should be architectural, and the precision is this much is enough, and the angle type is also this is good. And after that I will use this decimal degree. So after that the unit is inch. Now inch is per architecture, it must be inch, so press OK. And then the second option, go in layer and click on properties of layer. A new window will open. Now click on it, new layer, you will give new layer. So click and create more layers. So let's now I will draw the walls. So I should name this rename this walls. So press enter. This is named. So simply then I will name this late, and so simply close this window and come click on this layers and select the walls, because now I want to draw the walls. So you must be in this wall layer. Okay, so now the color of this, you can change the color of these lines. In that plane, the color of wall, you saw that there is green color, so it should also be green color. So I would like to change this, it is green color. Okay, now I am in wall layer. So I will draw now. Let's start from wall layer. So let's I would like to start by the help of line command, simple line command. Take the command and specify the corner, and now show the direction. And you know that in that plane they have 60 feet length, so I should also give to 60 feet length. So this is 60 feet. So press enter. After that give the width of that plane, so that is 40 feet. So I would like to give you 40 feet and press enter. After that again give 60 feet, press enter. Now simply click here, or you can give the length, or simply click on it. So now you can see your plane is simple, sides has been drawn. So after that you can see here is their guest room. So their guest room is 15 feet by 15 feet. So I would like to take offset command and select the 15 feet and press enter. Now I would like to click here, this is 15 feet and above 15 feet, and press enter to finish the command. This room having 15 feet length and width. This guest room, this is guest room. So simply take the trim command and remove this, and this, now this is guest room down. After that I would like to start kitchen having 10 feet from this top side. So I would like to get offset command and type 10 feet offset distance and press enter. Then click this line and come down, this is offset. After that you can see here in plane 2 the width of this kitchen is 20 feet. So I would like to give 20 feet from this side. So I'll take offset command and give 20 feet distance, offset distance, and let's cancel it because it is 20 inches. Take the command and give 20 and also symbol of feet, press enter. Now you can give 20 feet. So let's click on it. Now kitchen is also drawn. Then after that take the trim command and press enter and finish your these lines. So now kitchen is also down. After that you can see here in this plane you can see that here they have down 12 feet and 16 feet. This should be, this is 28 feet and 6 inches from that side. So let's click here, offset command, give the 28 feet and 6 inches, press enter and select this object and press enter to finish the command. And after that check your this width having in this you know that this is 15 feet, this wall from to this wall as well for this bedroom too. So it should be 15 feet. So I would like to take extend command, take this extend command and simply click on it. It is extended, so it is extended. After that I would like to finish this line, extra line. So take trim command, press enter and finish this line. After that you can see here in this plane that this length, this is 12 feet 6 inch. This is 12 feet. So take the command and type 12 feet, press enter. So this is this room having 12 feet and its length is 25 feet. So take offset command and give the 25 feet, 25 symbol of it and press enter. Now I would like to go from this side, this to this. Then after that take trim command and simple enter and to finish this extra line, and one is this extra line and finish enter. Now you can see this your bedroom 1 and bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 and kitchen and this guest room and this main entrance, this is drawn. After that what is remaining, and then this is drawn the 1 2 3 4. You can see here. Let's come here is also one wall. So take the extend command and extend it, simple, and press enter. 1 2 3 4 and here is one bathroom. So let's come here for bathroom. You can see that this bath having 6 feet and 9 inches from top to below. So let's come here, take offset command and specify the offset distance 6 feet and 9 inches and press enter. Then click on this line, so press enter. Now take trim command and finish this extra line, press enter. This is extended, take trim command and select this, finish this line, and this is also extra line. Now we can see this is your bathroom mirror. So after that, now you can see your plane is complete. I think nothing is missing in this. So first of all, you should draw your plane by the help of simple line and offset command or polyline. So after that, select all of them. Let's click these 4 sides, join them first. Join, type join and press enter. Now take offset command and give the wall thickness. The wall thickness is outside wall thickness is 9 inch. So offset distances. Take the offset command and give 9 inch. Press enter and click select it and give inside to. So it is 9 inch now. After that, give all of the. I think this plane having all 9 inch. Entire wall is also 9 inch. So I would like to give it as well 9 inch. So take the offset command in 9 inch and press enter. Then give this walls having 9 inch distance. So I would like to give 9 inch. Click on it. Now you can see your plane is round. After that, you should take the trim command and remove these extra parts by the help of trim command. Come here and select this all to finish and select this line. And now you can see your walls has drawn all walls, and this is kitchen, this is dining room, guest room, main entrance, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, living area, and this is bathroom. So after that, I would like to select the entrance area where you want to draw the doors. So for that, I would like to join this all line. Select all and type join and click on it. It will join. As much as they connected to each other, they has been joined. How to create doors for our 2D plane. Let's start. This is a door. You can see here that for a 2D plane, for our 2D plane, and that how can we make this door, and this is one type door and this is another type door. So whenever you will know the concept and you will get the concept, then you can make any type of the doors. So let's start from this door, that how can we make. Before to start drawing the door, we should know the thickness of our wall, and we should know the opening length of this door, and like from this point to this point, I think this is 3 feet. Yeah, this is 3 feet opening. So, and we should know our frame thickness, our door frame thickness, then we can make it easily. Let's start, and first move it. Oh, and move it here. First of all, I would like to take the rectangle command. Simply click here, then specify this corner, specify the base point, click on this corner. You can make your door to outside of your plane, but I would like to make here, and then there will be no mistake for your dimensions and for your length. So I would like to start from this point, then let's click on dimension. So I know my door frame thickness is 1 inch, so I would like to give 1 inch thickness, so it will be the length of that rectangle, and press enter. And this wall thickness is 5 inch, so the door should be fixed in this wall, so it should be 5 inch thickness, and press enter. And now you can see this yellow rectangle, and just click here. This is now down. Then take copy command and select this rectangle and press enter. Now this rectangle should also come here, like you can see in this window two rectangles are here. One is this small rectangle, one is this. So it should also come here and to fix in this side. So I would like to take from this base point. So this is total 3 feet distance. So 1 inch is this distance is miss here. So to fix it this point, so I would like to give it 2 feet and 11 inches, because 1 inch is missing here. So 1 feet is 12 inches, so I would like to give 2 feet and 11 inches and press enter. Now you can see this is fixed here, and press enter. This is now fixed here, and this is also fixed here. After that, I would like to take another rectangle and start from this point, and click on dimensions. Now again, the thickness of door is also 1 inch from top view. It should be 1 inch, and type 1 and press enter. And then the length of this door from this point to this, it will open like this. So the length should be it start from this point and to end at this point. So the length should be 2 feet and 2 feet and 10 inches. 2 feet and 10 inches. Press enter. Now simply click. You can see this rectangle, and simply click here. This rectangle is also drawn. After that, take the arc command. Start end direction. This arc. Click here and specify the first point. This will be start, and this will be end, and show the direction simply. And this is my direction. Now you can see this door is drawn, and simply click on this, select all these 4 parts, and simply type group to group and click on group. Now it is selected as a one object. Then you can use anywhere this, and simply take the copy command and select the object, press enter, and specify the base point where you want. You can copy this ortho of, and let's copy this, copy here and one copy here. But to use here you can use the rotate command. Let's click on rotate and select the object, press enter, then specify the base point, then rotate it. You can ortho on, you can rotate like this. Now you can use this door here. To use this door here you should use the mirror command. Mirror, take the mirror command, select the object, press enter, specify the first point of your mirror, the second point, and simply click. If you want to remove it, you can click yes. Now you can see this is drawn from this side. Let's to check it, move it and specify your first point is this base point. So ortho should be up, and come here and click here. Now you can see this door is fixed because this opening is 3 feet, and move it, move and specify the base point. This is my base point, and click on this corner. Now it is completely fixed. But another type of door is to draw like this type. You can see this type of door. This door is, this opening is also 3 feet, but the frame of this door is this. You can see this small print. This is 1 inch by 1 inch. So first of all, I would like to draw a small rectangle here. Start point here should be here, and I would like to click on dimension below here. Click on dimension, then specify 1 inch should be the length, and 1 inch should be the thickness, the width. Press enter, then this is your I think this is 2 inches, 2 by 2. So I would like to also select 2 inch. So take the command, rectangle command, then click here, specify the start point of your corner, then click on dimensions here, then give the 2 inches, press enter, then 2, press enter. Now you can see this is your door frame. After that, take the copy command, select the object, press enter, then specify the base point. This base point, this length should be 2 feet and 10 inches, because 2 feet 10 inches, 2 inches missing here, and it should fixed on this side, so it should be 2 feet and 10 inches. Let's say it should be 2 feet and 10 inches. Press enter and press space to finish the command. After that, take simply line command and specify your the start point on this midpoint. So ortho should be on the ortho, and now the length of this line should be you know that 2 feet and 10 inches, because 1 inch is missing to this line, to this side, and 1 inch is missing, 1 inch is missing on this side. So it should be 10 feet and 2 feet and 10 inches, 2 feet and 10 inches, and press enter and press space to finish the command. Now again simply take the arc command, start end direction. Let's start from this point, end at this point, and direction should be this. Now you can see this window, this door. So I would like to group this, select 4 of them, all of them, and simply type group and click on group. Now it is selected as one object. Let's check it on this side. So remove this. So it should be take the mirror command first and select the object, press enter and specify your, yes, remove that object, and again the mirror command, select the object, press enter and specify your 2 points, yes, remove that. Then after that, move it, click on move and specify the base point is a center point here, midpoint, ortho should be up, and then come here and click on this midpoint of the wall, so it will be fixed at this mid. You can see that it is completely fixed in this side as well as on this side. To create a window for our 2D plane, so for creating this window you must know the thickness of your wall and the length of your window, and you must know the frame thickness of your window, so it is easy to make. Let's start. First of all, I would like to take the rectangle command and specify the corner of that rectangle, and then click below on dimensions. Now the length of this rectangle which now I am going to draw, this rectangle length will be your window length. So let's this window having 6 feet length, so I should draw same to same like this. So I would like to give 6 feet, press enter. Now they ask you to specify the width of rectangle. The width of rectangle, this rectangle will be the width of your window, so it should be equal to the thickness of your wall. So the thickness of this wall is 9 inch, so I would like to select 9 inch and press enter. Now you can see this is your window frame. So after that I would like to get the offset command, and I know this entire frame is 5 inch, the window entire frame is 5 inch, so I would like to select 2 inches offset, so press enter. So after that, select the object and come entire and press enter. Now you know that 2 inch offset from that side and 2 inch from this side, so it 5 total is 9 inch, so 9 minus 4, so 5 inches is in this center, this small rectangle. After that I would like to take the trim command and simply remove this part and press enter to finish the command. Then click on extend command and click on this to extend, and simply click enter to finish the command. Yeah, then after that select all and right click and select the group and to group. Now you can see this is one object, and after that select the window and let's move it or copy it. Let's copy the selection and specify the you should take from this corner, then put here on this corner. You know that both of them are same, and it is fixed at wall and fixed on this window. Let's you want to put your window here 5 feet away from this wall or 3 feet away from this wall, so you would like to put your window here. First of all you have put it here, so after that select the object and move it, take the move command and specify this base point. Ortho should be on, and then after that drag your like this and then type 3 feet, press enter. Now you can see that this window is 3 feet from this side, but to sit this window and this side walls vertically, so you should simply take the copy of this. Let's copy it and then move it. Let's take move command and select the object, press enter, specify the base point, and now it should be, let's it was copy command, So take rotate command, select the object, press enter, specify the base point. Now, or you want like this or this, it is depends on you. So simply click it, it is rotated on 90 degree. You can now use in this vertical wall. How to draw this main gate for AutoCAD 2D simple plane. Let's say this is the wall, and this wall having 9-inch thickness, and this is the opening is 10 feet. So how can you make this gate for your 2D? Let's start and remove this first. Let's take the rectangle command and specify the base point. Now click on dimensions below, or simply type DIM and press enter. Now they ask you to specify the length of rectangle. It means that the length of this rectangle will be the width of your gate frame. So it should be, let's 2 inches. Type 2 and press enter. Now they ask you to type the width of this rectangle, which now they will draw. That the width of this rectangle should be equal to, or must be equal to, the thickness of your wall, because you are going to fix here. So the thickness of this wall is 9 inch. So let's type 9 and press enter. So click below, and you can see now this rectangle is drawn. After that, you know that this length, total opening length is 10 feet. So I will draw this drawing for this 10 feet. So the first of all, I would like to draw for half, and then I will use the mirror command, and it will be completed. So let's consider 5 feet for to draw half the gate. So for that, take the copy command and select the object, press enter and specify. This is your base point. Now move it. You know that 2 inches distance we are missing here, so we would like to move it 4 feet and 10 inches. Press enter and press space to finish the command. Now you say that this is round. After that, again take the rectangle command and select, this should be your corner, and after that click on dimensions. Now specify the width of this rectangle. It should be the width of your gate frame. So let's say it is 2 inches. So type 2 and press enter. After that, they ask you to specify the width of rectangle. It must be equal to this distance from this point to this point, because your gate will open like you know that from this midpoint to this end point, your gate will open like this to both directions. It will open like this. So after that, I would like to give the that from this corner to this. So this length is 4 feet and 9 inches, because this is totally 5 feet, and 2 inches are missing here, and 1 inches from this midpoint here is missing. So 3 inches are missing. So it should be 4 feet and 9 inches, and press enter. Now you can see here, this is your rectangle. After that, take the arc command, start end direction, and specify this is your first point. After that, specify this midpoint. This is your end point, and press show the direction. It will draw. This is your direction. It is drawn. After that, select all of them, and these 4 objects, select this 4, and simply right click and group it. Click on group and simply click on group. It is now selected as one object. After that, take the mirror command and select the object, press enter, and then specify 2 points for the mirror. This is my first point, and this is my second point. Do you want to remove this? No, I don't want. So click on no. You can see that this is now round fixed here. So I would like to take the this trim command to finish this line, and finish these 2 lines. So now you can see this is your main gate drawn, but you should select them and right click, group them. Now it is our main gate. How can you make the 3D of this simple 2D walls? So first of all, you must have made the whole layers for this different objects. So first of all, I would like to be in this wall layer, so because I am going to make this 3D of this wall, so I would be in this layer. So let's come here and you select this layer in wall layer. After that, up all the layers, unvisible all the layers, unvisible this dimension layer, then door layers, and after that come here symbol, and text should be also, windows should be also off. Now you can see here only wall is visible. So after that, select your all walls and click the join command, type join and press enter. Your wall should be joined. Let's click on this. You can see now it is completely joined. If there is any line separate, so it will make difficulties for in your 3D. So make sure that your wall is completely joined and combined to each other. After that, come to this setting option, workspace switching, and click on it and simply click on 3D modeling. And now click on this corner to show your 3D view. Let's click on this corner. You can see this corner, simple. After that, come here. After that, you can see this press pull command and home menu. Simply click on it and select your walls, all walls. Click on this wall and click here on multiple and select all your walls. It should also be my wall in this column for a gate, so I will make it late this column. So press enter. Then after that, press enter or right click, then show the direction of your wall, so it should be upward. So after that, type the height of your wall. Let's say it is 10 feet and type 10 feet and press enter. Now you can see your wall is down. After that, come to visualize, this visualize menu and click on it and make shaded or shaded with edge. You can select any of them, shaded like this. After, if you want to hide the materials here, simply click on materials, hide materials here. In the first time your window will not show like this, but it is okay, you can work here. So simply click on this, all the materials are available here. So now I would like to give, let's stone, this is stone, so I would like to come down and so let's select this stone, and you want to give to your walls this stone. So simply select your wall and come here and click on this vector. It is not visible now. Simply go here and materials, textures on and click on it. Let's come here and click on it. So now you can see your wall having this stone type. After that, if you want to give, let's to this wall this stone type, so simply click on it. Now you can see your wall having this stone color and same to that stone. You know that if you want to give to your interior wall design, there is color or paint or anything you can use, or cover. And let's come here, you can see that wall paint or wall covering, or simply click let's on wall covering and check in this which you like. Simply click on it. Let's I like this one, so press the control and then select this object and move here. Let's now you can see your wall is having this type of cover. After that, you can use another materials. Let's you can use this material, all materials for all of this wall. Let's I want to give this to another walls as well. Let's press the control Now you can see same materials are here, and if you want to give this material here, now you can use for your whole interior wall. Select this object and change their faces. You can see now the another side as well. If you want to give the the wall paint, so simply click here on wall paint. I want to give this is bathroom, so I would like to give it white paint, so simply press a control. Now you can see this this bathroom having white color paint, so you can use all these materials are available for you. You can use it for all. Let's say here click on this glass. You can see this glasses are also available. Let's select this object. This should be a glass. You can see now this is a glass. After that, close it, and it is depends on you which materials you want to use, and for your walls and for your interior design you can. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for next this short